As you guys might tell me, man, today we're gonna be doing something a little different.
Yes.
Help me out here, help me out.
We're gonna come out of our comfort zone and do something we would never think to ever do.
I do something that we never ever did before.
Okay guys, so yes, like he said, we're gonna come out of our comfort zone. We're gonna do something that we would never think to ever do besides a one chip challenge. Today we went to one of the hottest chicken tender places in Texas that we know of. And it's called, what is it called? Dave's
Hot Chicken or something like that?
Dave's Chicken?
I think it's Dave's Hot Chicken.
Yeah, Dave's Hot Chicken.
Dave's Hot Chicken.
So basically, they have a wide variety of chicken tenders. The things are huge. They look like chicken breasts.
Yeah, they're huge. I ain't gonna lie to you.
Yes.
But and the size of my...
They have different flavors. What does it start from?
They got like, so we got 4 right here. I think they got 6 in all.
6?
So the first 2 is
I know it's probably original.
Like original, which ain't got no type of spice, nothing. Then they got mild. And then we got the next 4, which is
no, but we missed the one in between. Cause this was medium, mild, and some regular and original.
I don't know, but either way, the first 3 or first 2 don't really have spice in it, so we didn't get it. So we got the last 4. As you guys see, we got, well, you guys can't see, we got medium, we got hot, we got extra hot, and we got Reaper.
We got Reaper, y'all.
Reaper. I said that right? Reaper. Okay, I don't know. I heard, so I know somebody who tried the extra hot and hot, and they told me it's hot. Like it's completely hot. They ain't even said it's Reaper. The extra hot and hot is hot. Yeah, without further ado, man, we finna dive right into it.
Wait, a disclaimer. The one thing we had to do to order the Reaper chicken tender that I've never had to do in my whole life of ordering food, we had to sign a waiver. Oh yeah. We had to sign a waiver basically acknowledging that we are going against, like, you know, recommendations of us not getting the Reaper flavor. They say it might cause death, it might cause bodily disability and all that stuff. I'm like, bro, hold on, wait a minute.
Look at this. Somebody come look at this.
So yeah, if y'all do go, y'all decide to try the Reaper, you do have to sign a waiver. So
after we did that one chick challenge a couple years ago, or last year, I don't think anything's gonna beat that. Now if this Reaper beat that, I don't know. No, our next disclaimer. As we say, these things are, what's the word I'm looking for? It's gonna sound gay. You say these things are
big.
Yeah. Pause. So ain't no way in hell I'm finna eat all. They about the size of this. No.
Thick.
Nah. But yeah, without further ado, make sure you got like and subscribe. I know we have been posting, but we're gonna try to get back in the rhythm. So
yeah, guys, we're finna get right into this video in 3, 2, 1. Alright guys, so we are back. We have plated all of the chicken tenders, starting with the mild, the medium.
You guys can see, oh, it's medium?
Medium.
Yeah, medium. You guys can see, I don't think you guys can see how, I don't want it to fall. You know what, give me this. I think I can see the color. Yeah, that's the mild, the medium, sorry. And this is the hot. The color are slightly again, you can definitely tell.
Which one is the Reaper?
The Reaper, for sure. And then this is the extra hot.
And then
I don't know if you guys can. It touched my hand. It touched my hand.
That's the Reaper. Okay, guys. So it just changes colors
a little bit,
light to dark. Like this is dark. Like this looks burnt dark. All right. So you ready? So basically,
we got milk just to make sure.
I have 2% because I drink 2% and he got whole milk.
I don't really drink this milk no more, but
yeah, we're gonna drink it today. So basically, guys, the challenge is what we're gonna do. Last 3 or 5 minutes. The last person to drink the milk wins.
Yeah, we can do that. The last person to drink the milk wins.
Okay, you ready? So we're gonna start with the medium.
Okay. I ain't gonna lie, this thing is juicy though.
It is.
I ain't gonna lie to you.
I'm gonna be so mad if we have to waste it.
It's juicy though. I don't know if you guys can see, but it's juicy though.
It is really juicy. Okay, so since this is the medium, I'm thinking it's not that hot. So, yeah. Ready?
Yes,
1, 2, 3. Oh, it's so juicy. Okay.
It's really juicy. This is the medium. I ain't gonna lie. If the medium got a little kick.
It got a little kick.
The medium got a little thick.
But it's good. So whoever drink it first lose.
Okay.
So that's the medium.
Woo, that's the medium. They got a little kick to it, I ain't gonna lie to you.
But it's good. I like it. I can do that. Alright. Ooh, Lord, you ready for the hot one? Okay, that dude got, it is kind of coming
Got
a
a little kick, I ain't gonna lie to you, cuz.
Just a little bit, not that much though. Okay, ready? Go to hot.
You break it. You break it.
Me break it?
Yeah, cause me break the first one. But not that fat one there. I ain't taking that fat one. Which piece should I take?
Thank you.
You always want, see guys, she always trying to take a little ass piece, bro.
I'm scared.
No, bro, you can't take, look. You gotta take that one.
Which one? Alright, so which one? Okay, you grab one, then I'll grab whatever.
I got these two.
You gonna grab both of those?
Babe, you want, guys, look at that little bitty piece you wanna try, man.
What? Okay, fine.
Look if it interesting, man. I don't think I want.
Okay, I'm breaking this in half though.
Yeah, get that big piece of it? Alright, which one?
We're gonna eat the whole thing? We're gonna eat the whole
This
thing?
not the whole thing. Come on, man.
Alright, come on.
Woo!
You ready?
Let's go.
We're gonna just throw it back? The whole thing?
Pause, but yeah.
Okay, 1, 2, 3.
Go.
Babe, come on now.
The temperature just went up a little bit.
It did.
A little bit. A little bit. The spice is there though. I think what's gonna get us is extra hot.
Ooh. Yeah.
It's I'm sweating. I'm starting to sweat.
Y'all know how like the back back of y'all mouth start getting tight a little bit?
And even get so big what?
It's like I'm breathing, but I'm breathing fire.
It's getting hot. I ain't gonna lie, it's getting hot. But it ain't hot as a one chip type hot yet.
No, it's not. But it's getting there. Like if we was to eat a whole chicken tender by ourselves.
Oh!
I ain't gonna lie, I'm about to bust that milk open after this.
Alright.
Okay.
I know the extra hot's gonna get one of us for sure.
Oh god.
For sure.
Let me close my eyes.
But you gotta like, comment, subscribe, and enjoy the video so far, man. And make sure you guys comment down any other hot place y'all want us to try.
Why you trying to tear our insides up, bro? Alright.
For the Lord is my shepherd, let me sing.
Alright, you ready?
Hold on upon the victory. Victory in Jesus. Amen.
This boy retarded. Okay, you ready?
No, I'm not ready.
Y'all, my nose is sweating, dude. Y'all, this Reaper is so freaking dark. Okay.
I want some of a drink. No, I'm drinking milk. Alright, which piece second?
Whatever piece you want.
Alright, we're going to small piece?
Yeah.
Alright.
Okay, you ready, babe? After this, I think I'm going to the doctor, make sure I can still have kids. You ready?
Yeah.
Oh, God. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Bennett.
Woo.
Babe, stop.
Hey, you want that one?
Yes, a
Shit.
little bit, but I can kind of talk.
What y'all trying to rush the thing for? What y'all rush the thing for?
Because I'm scared.
Go and drink that milk, man. You good? Mm-hmm. Right, Tina.
I didn't.
Go ahead. squeeze. This is your body.
I'm scared.
I want to drink milk. I ain't gonna lie to you. Can this water count?
Yes. Oh, y'all, my spit is like fire. Okay, it's kind of coming a little bit.
That shit big coming. What you mean, kind of?
All right, come on, time for the Reaper.
What?
Look at him. I'm gonna try it with the sauce. I'm gonna try the extra hot with the sauce. Because we haven't tried it with the sauce yet. Y'all, they gave us 4, so I might keep those if the sauce is good. Let me see.
I think that one never got me wrong, show up here. Oh my God! Woo!
Damn, you just breathe all over. Huh? No.
You know why?
Why? What? Hit me one more time, goddamn.
You know what now, buddy?
Why?
Because it take time to chew yours.
I did?
Yes.
You chewed yours really fast. Okay, let's see. Why are you squeezing me?
Oh my God.
Okay. The sauce kind of tastes like mayonnaise or something.
I'm not ready for this Reaper. I ain't gonna hold you.
Dip it in the sauce, babe. Try with the sauce. Come here.
Try one of that sauce. May not try no more until we try the Reaper. May not none of this in no sauce.
What?
Me the Reaper and that sauce.
You gonna do the Reaper in the
I
sauce?
do the Reaper and the sauce, but me not try no else to make my King Roach.
Okay. Look, I'm gonna put some more. I'm gonna put more sauce right there, so that way you can dip it in there. Yeah, I'm kind of sweating on my nose a little bit.
Oh my God.
Okay, it's kind of kicking in, y'all. It's kind of. It's
my kind of.
Here, look at my finger.
Wait, my finger from my put I know. What kind of? Like she didn't see me going over there. I'm over here. She over here, kinda. You gonna get that same energy on this Reaper.
Y'all see how dark this Reaper chicken is? Look at that. Oh my gosh, bro. Heck no. Playing? 2, 3.
Wait, you come too fast.
Man, I literally did the slowest way possible. Okay.
Alright, come on. I'm dead ass. Come on, ready? I'm dead ass.
Okay. 1, 2, 3. We swallowed it?
Swallow block that thing, man. Hold on there. We got to swallow.
Ooh.
Yeah, fire monkey.
Shut up. Ah. Ooh, baby. Oh. Oh, don't make it worse. Oh, God. Ah. Ooh. Oh gosh.
I do hot walk. Drink milk now. Right?
You drink no hair now.
Drink the milk.
Okay, get ready.
Come on, SyVon. Lock it in.
Oh, baby, your face right here turned red.
Lock it in. Lock it in. Come on, lock it in. Hold it. Show them that Jamaican strength. That Caribbean strength.
Yeah. Okay, I think I'm good.
Hold it in, SyVon.
Oh, God, but I can't do it.
We got it. Come on, you are. Lock it in. Lock it in. Lock it in. Woo. I think I'm good.
You good?
Yeah.
Okay.
I think I'm good.
Alright.
I think I'm good.
Give me a kiss.
We're good. I'll tell you one thing. The one chip is still winning.
Yeah, it is.
The one chip is still winning. I tell you one thing. The one chip is still winning. As far as the hottest thing we ever tried. Make sure you guys like and subscribe. We're gonna do our best to keep you guys I should say we're gonna do our best to keep ourselves more consistent. We're working on rebranding our channel as far as like, you know, intro stuff like that. So I need you guys to comment down below what videos you want to see.
My gums are
And then we'll go from there and see it. You good? That's that Caribbean strength. That Caribbean strength. We out, man. Peace out. Like and subscribe.
Peace. Oh my God, I can't even hold my arms up. I'm so weak.